Okay, so right now I am okay. Who knows Sunday? Because I don't want to eat food. I just want boiled eggs, and I'm waiting for them to just boil and finish. Then I chow, and yeah, then that's it about my day. Then I close off this vlog right now. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. Don't also forget to share the love. So guys, from me to you guys, I'll see you guys on the next video. See you tomorrow. This is the next day. Oh, love my nails. I did these nails a day before. I did these nails a day I do my own nails. So I do my own nails. I didn't iron this thing, so don't count on me. Enter.
Wiggle your heel and shake your chest. Just wiggle your heel and shake your chest. Just wiggle your heel and shake. Just wiggle your heel and shake your chest. Just wiggle your heel and shake your chest. Just wiggle your heel and shake. Just wiggle your heel and shake your chest. Just wiggle your heel and shake your chest. Just wiggle your heel.
My channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you're old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget also to share the video and share the love. Okay, yes. So I just came back from, what is it? I always mix this name. I came back from Wimpy. As you saw, I was eating ice cream, and now I'm going to wash the blankets because wow, and now I am okay guys, it is morning. I woke up in the morning and I went exercise, gymming, and then I drank water, ate, I think something like that, and then now I'm just going to finish doing the laundry and over, and then I'm going to take pictures for IG, and yeah, that is literally my day. It is the 30 today. It is the 30 today, 30th of December 2020. We're about to pop up 2021 very soon. So I hope you're good, I hope you're safe. The president said to you guys, like, lockdown level 3. Plus, I was not going out anyways. So President Sebonga, I know one thing about President, guys. Also, couple of my language is 30 days. Trust me. So guys, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hi guys. So I've been meaning to do an unboxing. I took like forever to do it, but I was waiting for the right time. But I'm lying. There's no right time to do such things. But I wanted to do like an unboxing, and then you know how I do my unboxings. Ooh, what I do is I unbox and then I try on the earrings, or I try on whatever that I try on. But I'm just gonna do an unboxing because this is a vlog. I'm just gonna show you guys what's in this package. So I received a package from a small business woman. She is from Soweto, Tembisa, but I'll double check. I don't wanna say like the wrong things, but I'll double check where she's from. She was so kind to inbox me on my Facebook page and said to me, I saw that you do reviews on small business women out there, so I would like to send you my stuff, and then you do a video about my business and 2020. And guys, if you have a small business and you want me to put out content for you, feel free to do that. I might just inbox me or DM me, and then I'll really do that, promote your business and see if people like it, if people want more. And yeah, so let me just unbox and stop talking too much because I end up talking a lot. So this is how it looks, and the package looks like. It's from, what is this? It's from Pexi. Send, collect, and return. Okay, this is my first time going to Pexi, like collecting stuff from Pexi, because I've never received stuff from there or sent stuff from there. So it's my first experience going to Pexi. But it was a great experience, I'm not gonna lie. For my side where I was, the people were good, and already you can see, guys, I'm saying but I was so scared to open like the box because it was so cute. Because I wanted to do it on IG first, on my story first. This is how it looks like, guys. I have not opened this package. I have not touched it. I have not opened it. This is still looks the same. So I need to do like an unboxing before I start this video. So how do you do this? I love the packaging. I love the ribbon. Also, I saw her on TikTok, ne? I love that she before she packs her products, before she packs her products and put them inside the package, she sanitizes everything. And that's what I saw, and that's what I like. And I was really impressed. She's on TikTok also. She's on Facebook. I don't know if she's on a Facebook page. No, she doesn't. I'm not sure. She's on Instagram, but I'll leave her details just down below on the description box. On the description box, on the comment box, just down below if you wanna like get a hold of her artwork, handcrafted work. How do you open this? How do you open this? Okay, she pins. I think this is the pins. I'm not sure if you can see. Box looks like, guys, look at this. Look how neat and clean this is. Love it. Okay, one thing I want to say is I like it. I love it when somebody puts their hundreds on their business, even if it's small, especially when you start out. Like, put your hundreds, like, find your hundreds, like your box. Look how cute this is. The package is cute. She's a small businesswoman, but we're about which is this like love and thought, and like she went a lot. You know, small, but I love how she just wanted to make sure that her packaging is cute and it grabs attention. guys, wait. I feel like this deserves me with makeup and sit down. So I'm just gonna show you guys what's in here, and then if you want to watch the full video on everything in here, I'm gonna post it probably Jan 2021, because wow, what I'm looking at here. Look how cute this is. Look how so I'm not gonna open it. I'm gonna open it on the final video that I'm gonna be doing. And this is her brand. This is a business brand logo, and I'm so scared to open this, guys. Like, it is so cute. How many pairs are in here? Guys, okay. I think I'll put the logo just up here. Fabulously, I don't know, earrings forever, fabulous earrings forever. This is how it is. Wow, how many pairs are in here? Wow. Okay, the first pair, oh my god, Lord. Guys, I've seen people. This deserves like a full, normal, fantastic, fabulous video on its own. No lies. You know why? This is why, guys. Look at this. This is the first pair. Oh my god, so tiny. This is the first pair. Oh my god. Okay, as in there, guys, I'm just going to show you this pair, because I think like the video is going to be like, I'm going to show you this first pair, and then the rest I will show you guys on the full video. If you want to watch the rest, watch the full video, and I will like literally have something, like I will try on, oh my god, I need to have looks for this. Yeah, some people are talented there, and wow, like wow. So yeah, this is it for the vlog. So I'm just gonna close off the vlog here. So thank you from Fabulously earrings forever. Thank you so much from Fabulously forever. And I cannot wait for another order. I have to order. I love what I see in here. So yeah, this is it for today. I'll see you guys on the next vlog or next video. I'm not sure, somewhere. So yeah, so from me to you guys, bye. Oh, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment, don't forget also to subscribe to my channel. Bye.